What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. We're gonna go over some really quick news. Now, the news is the S21 FE Fans Edition is being canceled. Yes, you heard me. It was first reported from ET News in Korea, and they're pretty credible for the most part. And they're saying that due to a chip shortage, of course, with the pandemic, Samsung has made a decision to go ahead and cancel the lineup. You also have other sources like Ice Universe or Tron basically saying they could be due to battery issues with the phone or chip shortage or pricing. So there's rumors all over the place. And also Bloomberg began to report it as well too. And because Bloomberg had a reporter, Samsung finally did respond. And they're basically not saying anything. They're just saying there's no comment about the rumors are going on. So, because, of course, they don't want to confirm it's being canceled or not. It's going to be delayed for like another month or two, or even discuss what the issue is. But it has to be a big issue for everyone to be talking about it. And the FE editions started all due to the Note 7. When the Note 7 had its catastrophe and was blowing up and stuff like that, they had to do a mass recall. And then later on they reproduced it and they started with the fan edition. And a lot of people look for the fan edition because the fan edition comes with a lot of colors. So a lot of people just sit and wait till the fan edition come out of their favorite phone and they buy it. So this is some major news going on. And like I said about the chip shortage, there's no surprise that we're having this issue because there are speculation reason why the Note 22 is to come out this year because of chip shortage. The reason why the PlayStation and the Xbox are having production issues due to the shortage going on. So the pandemic really affected a lot of different manufacturers when it comes to these chips and so forth on. But guys, that's all I have for you right now. So if you guys are looking for the S21 fan editions, right now there's no guarantees gonna be coming out right now, but we will find out. As soon as I find out, I will incorporate one of my tech news to keep you guys updated. Until next time, guys, hit me up later.